So we continue our development on the project. So the project is not displayed. We want to display different project that we have carried out, that our client have carried out here. So let's move to the dashboard, and then we click on projects. So we check all the projects. So these are different projects available. Bathroom, sink. You can change all this content to what you want, but for now I will leave it. Water filtration, I will edit it. So I'll get some images from my clients about the water filtration they have carried out. So I'll just come here. They have a design of a project for me, which I can, if I like it, I can use it. If I don't like it, I can just delete everything. I don't want this section this way. I want my section to have a full width, so full content, and I can write maybe the location that we carry out the project, and some content about the project that the client work. So this is just the description. I don't want all the description. I'll delete everything. Okay, I just say water treatment. The clients that we do the project for is your body Badmos. So you can get all this information from your clients. And what I want to do, I just want to insert picture of the project. So I'll just click here. I'll search for single image. So from the library, I'll collect treatment plant, insert the image. Okay, cool. So it's underwater and it's innovation, so I can add another category of it. So scroll down, and here we add featured image. Featured image, it's very good. You have featured image here. So this is the featured image, and I will just update the site, and let's load our website. Below here we should have a project listed here, so let's just reload the site. So voila, we have one project here. So when you click on it, it's so water filtration, and we can read more about the project. So I will add the second project and all the other projects that the client have done here. So I think I will just add 3 projects. So let me go back to project again. Bathroom remodeling. Change the featured image. So I will select this our featured image. At top. If it does not work on the first time, please select again. So I have the image here. So I can now modify the content with anything I like. Let me just delete what they have here, and just have to. So I save changes, and update the site, and I will just reload our website. So we have second project here. So I've added up to 6 projects. I will just reload our website so we can view the project. So scroll down. Okay, good. So we have all the 6 projects here, like pipe installation, bathroom remodeling, all this. Now you cannot click on it to view. Let me just open another tab to view the detail of the project, and which is cool. So all the project water installation, and let's move on. This I will just change this content, change the phone number to my client's phone number. And if you are making changes in your website and the change is not a vet, it might due to a cache. So I would advise you install a plugin cache. Let's go to plugin. Let's just quickly install that. Add new. The plugin, let's just search any plugin that have cache. So light cache, I'm good to go. I like that. Activate it. So the plugin is activated now, and if you see on our website, if you reload the website now, you should see the option of the plugin there, which we can click on purge all. Now we always delete all the cache in your website and make it refresh afresh. So let's modify this content, which is this is our project. After project, this section. So for emergency call phone number, let me just check that phone number to my client phone number. So I save the changes. Yes, like I said that time, I will teach you how you can save elements. Like this element now, I want to use it in another page of my website. If you want to modify this section, you can click this pencil button, and here you can add setting to the column. So you can add setting, you can change the border color, change the theme color, even add the background color to the section, to the column, and then you can make it responsive. Yeah, responsiveness in a way that you can hide it on mobile devices. This is the option here, like here on mobile devices you can hide it, on the large devices you can hide the option here. So let's assume now I don't want that place to display on the mobile devices, which is the small devices. I will just hide it on small devices, and I will save changes. So the same thing, you can hide something on other different devices. So now if I like, just like I said, if I like the element and I want to save it, you can click on this dot button on the road, and I want to save. You click on this setting icon. You see save as template. Yes, I want to save it as template. So I want to name the template. I can name it anything like emergency. So I save as template, save automatically, and I save it now. So I'll just preview the website. So I preview it. The content I've changed to the phone number that I changed it to. So I want to view it on mobile devices. So you can go to your Chrome, more tools, and developer tools. When you're on the developer tools now, you can view the mobile devices, how it will look like on mobile. Just click on this mobile icon, and this is our mobile option. This is how it will look like on mobile phone. So we can preview the whole site on mobile devices. So if you see now, just keep on checking. Let's check. So on the mobile devices now, the content of that phone number is not displaying. You see it because I hide it on mobile device. So now let me on it again on the mobile device. The content of the emergency, I want to on it on mobile devices. So I scroll down to responsiveness. I scroll down and I make it visible on mobile. I update it. I click on the preview again. So scroll down. You can see the content is back because I've made it visible. So sometimes you can design a website and you want some content to display on your mobile and they not display on the browser or on the large screen. So this is how you can use this responsiveness to achieve that. So the element I saved that time, I will use it in another pic. I will update. So on our website front page, we have the project, we have this phone number change. So and let me just modify this content about us. As you can see, this is the contact from here, and about us here. So let's assume this content now you want to give it a background. This whole row, you can click on this icon, design option, and you can come here, background. Let me give it red so you can see it visible. Okay, let me just give it something like blue background. So I save changes, I preview the site. Let me change it to a large screen. So we have this section. You see the content, the color now is now blue. I change the entire section to blue. The same thing you can, there are many things you can do with that. I don't want that blue background, so you click on the pencil icon and you turn it back to default color. So this place you can design your role, how you want the content to be. If you want a role that you want the content to full everywhere, you can choose it, that is spread the content full across, and you can leave it by default, and you can no padding, the content will stretch across all the sides. So let's just put it no padding now, and let's compare it before. Let's preview the website, and you see before now there is still a space here, so this image will shift, this messages will shift to this side. The padding, there will not be a padding here again. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You see there's no padding here because I've said no padding. So this is how you can modify your role to depend on what you want to achieve. So any way you want to do it, the same thing, you can put it on stretch and content. So just put it in different options and see how you can go about it. And if you want a specific element that you want to save, like let's say this contact form, I want to is the element I want to save, not just the section again. So I can click on it. So I want to save it and use it in another page, and this request page, I can see it option here. You can now click on it and on this setting icon,